What's up, guys? It's Oscar. How you doing? I'm coming at you with this video. It's not going to be a giveaway or a shave of the day this time, and it's really just going to be it's going to be an unboxing. You guys are going to ride along with me on this unboxing. Now, I'm really doing this. I was just going to open it, post pictures of what's in here, sing the guy's praises, but I mean, talking about it would seem to kind of bring it home a little bit more. But I looked on the porch today when I got home from work, and I got the box. When I saw the return address, can you see that? JR Reyes, JR Reyes. Man, I was jumping for joy because I knew I've been waiting for this, and it's finally here. Now, let's do the unboxing. Then let me talk about it. I opened it already, but there's a note. Thanks again, Oscar, for the support. I really hope you enjoy the brushes. I stand behind my work, so if any issues come up, just let me know and I'll make it right. JR. There you go. Now, throughout the community in my time, you buy stuff from businesses, from artisans and vendors, and of course they're going to stand by it because their name is behind the stuff, and they're always, for the most part, 99% of the people I've dealt with are legit, straightforward, great at communication, and they want to make any problems right. So, and JR's no different. But what got me with him was from the time I first reached out to him until even right now, communication top notch. This man, I got one word to describe this guy, is friggin' integrity. This dude is like the epitome of the word, man. He's got his picture in the dictionary next to that word, integrity. Because this dude, communication, awesome. Answers your questions quickly. Helps you out quickly. I came at him. This was the first time I had done this sort of project with him. And it was brush restores, but first time I had done this type of work with him. And he's this guy who was just humble and just really wanted to make sure that I was satisfied. So as soon as he got the brushes, send me pictures. As soon as he got the knots out, send me pictures. As soon as he started the work, send me pictures. As soon as he was done with the work, send me pictures. Send me pictures of the knots that he suggested, because I asked for his input. The knots we talked about putting into the brushes, send me pictures. Send me price quotes, I mean, everything legit. Just so posting pictures and writing a little blurb wouldn't have been enough, man. I'm here to verbally sing the man's praises. JR Reyes, Reyes Restores on Instagram. If you don't know, if you've never done work with this guy and you want brush work done, this is where you need to go. So I opened it. There's the note. I actually sent him 2 brushes that I got. Well, one of them was a purchase I got on Shave Gear raffles, and the other one was actually a find at an estate sale. And this is the estate sale one first. It came in wrapped in bubble wrap, wrapped in some padding. And the bottom is, wow. It's like, I don't know if you want to call it lucite. The other part is kind of, it's an Ever-Ready 300. There's still some of the lettering kind of jacked up there. But this was all, if you saw before and after pictures, I'll see if I can attach them. But this was, man, this looks brand new. Look at how brilliant the bottom is. Looks like glass, man. That is awesome. And I got this one and another one with the intent to kind of try to start messing around with the restoring myself. But then he posted something similar to this that had a clear bottom. It wasn't the exact same shape. It was a different one, but with a clear bottom and a black top. And I saw how that came out. And when I saw that, I said, I got to send that to JR, because there's no way I could ever, and I've never even tried it, but there's no way I could even try to make it look like this. And then when we were talking knots, every little thing from, different brands, different types, different, I said, I got a lot of bulbs, let's try a fan. I think this is the first fan I have, and I think it's almost even called a hybrid. I believe this is an Elite. It's from Elite, and it's a two-band finest, I believe. And he bored it out to 26 millimeter. And just look at that thing. It is absolutely brilliant. absolutely brilliant. So I'm gonna shampoo it out, and then see how it blooms, and then I'll post pictures as well. But this is amazing, and this is just amazing. I don't even know what else to say. The other one that I got was actually from Shave Gear Raffles, and I really wrestled with if I wanted to get this because it is, first of all, it is a Simpsons, and it's small. From the pictures on that the raffler posted, you can't really tell how, the size of it, but I was able to make out that it says, I believe it's B3. I believe B3 is the size, and this is actually in butterscotch. As if you go on the Simpsons website now, everything is white. So I was anxious to get it, and I wrestled with it because once I looked on the website, they do have a white version of the B3, and I saw that the knot is only 19 millimeter. So it's a smaller knot, and then, the brush itself is pretty small. Look at, the whole thing's fairly small, and the knot diameter is only 19, so I was a little reluctant for that reason. But it's a Simpsons, and then the decal is kind of damaged. Again, this was an estate sale find, and there was a lot of kind of spotting and dirtiness, and now this is just super clean. The light here is weird. I'm just trying something different in the kitchen, and so it does have a little bit of kind of spotting down here. If you can see that, it's a little bit of a dark kind of a ring. And we just talked about it. Just kind of leave it. I said, try and get as much of it out as you can without, however much you feel safe trying to get it out, try and get it out. If not, then just leave it. It adds a little bit of character because it is vintage. So, and this is a NV, I believe it's an NV white, 19 millimeter. From Nathan Clark. So again, this is, the work speaks for itself. If you had the work done from JR, then this is my first experience, and it definitely will not be my last now. But I just, like I said, I need to sing the man's praises because he has the utmost in integrity and communication, and just really wants you to be satisfied with his work. So that was kind of it. That's this video. I just needed to do that unboxing and share just how excited I am with this. I'm going to, go and, shampoo this out and bloom it out for the first time, lather it up, and probably use it tomorrow or my next shave, whenever that is. But, and then the Simpsons B3. So JR, thank you, man. Just thanks. That's all I can say, really. Just thank you. You guys need brush restoration work done, I highly recommend JR Reyes. All right. He is not paying me for this, by the way. Everybody be well. Another video will be coming soon with details about the San Diego meetup coming up at the end of the month. So stay tuned. All right, everybody be well. Bye.